What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2023 MasterCraft X24. We have the coastal flake with the black accents. This boat is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go to the backside and check out some of the options. So starting back here on the swim platform, you'll see we do have the new option for 2023. The swim step folds down, goes right back up super easily, integrated into the swim platform. Underneath, we do have a thruster on this boat. Makes picking up your rider, trailer, or putting on the trailer or docking that much easier. On the back, you see we do have our rear-facing lounge seats with footrests, so you can kick back and relax while you guys are floating in the water. So inside here in the cockpit, you'll see we do have the three-tone cool feel upholstery. I really like this setup. I think it gives a unique look. We have the decadence flooring option, super easy to clean and maintain. Up top on our Z8 tower, you see we do have the quad clip speakers, or standard clamping board racks, as well as additional board storage in the bimini. This boat has plenty of seating for everybody, plenty of board storage. This boat will be great for you guys out in the water. So here at the captain's helm, you see we do have the dual screen setup on this boat. That right side, that is gonna be your command center. So with the SurfStar surf system, all integrated into that screen, super easy to use, super easy to change the wave for different riders. Top of the throttle here, this is a thruster option boat. This is how you actuate with the thruster. Super nice integration there so that you can spin the boat whenever you need to. Now on the right side by your right knee, you'll see we have our wireless charger as well as additional charging points, cup holders. So I think this boat with the X24 and the options it has on it gives a ton of options for the driver to make sure everybody's comfortable and everybody's riding the way they want to. So up here in the bow of the boat, you'll see we do have a great space up here. We have armrests on port and starboard side for people facing forward, super comfortable, as well as cup holders and phone chargers, additional storage underneath all your seats as well. So this spot is awesome for whether it's people, whether it's towels, whatever it is, there's room for you. Thank you guys for checking out this X24 with me today. I truly think this is a boat you need to come in and see it, feel it, touch it, get inside of it, so you guys can really understand how awesome, how much space is in this boat, and just how beautiful it is. Hop on MarineMax.com. You can check out our other MasterCraft inventory as well as our other manufacturers. While you're there, check out our great financing options, our pro shop, as well as service. If you guys have any additional questions, call me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969.